people on. See if he'll get it, huh? Maybe he'll get it. What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. We got Cohen down here. Cohen, come get in the picture, bro. All right, fire up that Corvette. We haven't heard or seen her in a hot minute. While you're doing that, I'm gonna set this right here and open the garage. Oh, you can't get it started? Okay, I'll come and help you. Uh-oh. Are you okay? Hold on, show us your soccer award. Show us that trophy. Show us your trophy. Oh yeah, look at that award. And what'd you get it for?
My game.
For playing soccer?
Yeah.
And winning some soccer games?
Yep.
That is so cool. All right, hop on in the Corvette. Let's shut that door and hear them.
I didn't door.
You got some money?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Oh baby, you gonna drive it back?
Oh baby.
All right, you know the deal. Scoot this chair forward. Our lights are on for some reason. Oh, you might not have shut this door all the way. No, it's not.
No,
It's okay.
Yeah,
It'll survive. All right, now back her up. Look at this, no hands. My hand's right here. It's all him. Watch the smear. Good job. Good job. Way to go. Don't worry, it's just the passenger door. It's just that that door's not shut. Now we're out. Let's go ahead and turn her all the way around. Now I'll help you.
Got it, Dad.
Woo! Ah! That door really wasn't shut at all.
No.
That didn't work.
Mommy got it. Stop.
Okay, go shut it.
Door. Ow. I got it.
Let's see. How many miles are we sitting at? 183,000.
Yeah, woo.
All right, you gotta crank the wheel fast. Hurry fast. Ooh, look at that pretty truck.
Yeah, really look. Ow. I got it, Dad. I got it.
Now, hold on, I'm trying to line it up.
You're lining up.
Yeah, with the garage.
Wait, what?
Yep. Okay. There you go.
Yeah.
Wait, no, not yet. Not yet. All right, there. Now we put her in park.
This?
And yep, turn her off. Good job. It's always nice to teach your kid how to drive a car when you probably shouldn't teach him to drive a Corvette. You do pretty good at driving, huh?
Yeah.
Are you gonna become a race car driver?
No.
No. Are you gonna go drag racing?
Yeah.
You gonna take the Corvette?
I don't know. I want beer me while it do fast.
You wanna drive it real fast?
I like.
You wanna skirt?
I like. Like. Don't do it fast like my shoes.
Oh, go super fast like your shoes?
Yeah, you hold this.
Okay, I'll hold the keys.
And
You
my-
show
my-
me.
and my
Show me.
keys
Okay.
and my door.
Oh yeah, I'll hold your money too. Okay, ready? Show us how fast you are. Set, go. Woo! Oh, the camera can't even keep up with you.
What?
Are you the Flash?
Yeah.
Cohen the Flash?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at that beautiful car. Well, guys, it is officially time for the Corvette. Oh, darn. Guys, he needs his money back. I can't forget to give him his money. I'm sorry. Darn it. I was hoping to be 1 penny richer. My gimbal's not quite working like I want it to. There we go. There we go. Now I got fixed. So we are going to be going back to all white very soon, with the exception of the hood. I'm going to keep the hood wrapped because this hood is cracked. I want to buy a new one. I know you're all laughing at me like, you want to buy a new hood, but you need a transmission and you got to rebuild that motor. I don't got to rebuild the motor, but I want to. I want this thing to become a 10-second car. I think that'd be so cool. I don't know what it's gonna take, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna figure out how to make that happen, because she's fast. She's just too slow. I'm too used to it. That's the problem. Once I get that 10-second car, I'm gonna be like, man, I really want a 9-second car. And then we'll get down to 8 and 7. And I'm gonna just be like, you know, I should become an astronaut. I was just kidding, guys. Anyhow, the wrap will be coming off. I will be doing some video on how to do that. But right now, what I want to know from you guys in the comments down below, should I leave the trunk lid on too, since we were leaving the hood on? Or should I go ahead and just have the hood be teal and remove everything else? Drop that down in the comments. Let me know what you think.
I want to hold it.
Oh, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it down. Right here.
Oh, dude, that's a good shot. Don't move it. Oh, it was going good. That was a good shot.
I need my do.
So thumbs up.
Yeah.
Here, let me show him. Here, you stand in front of the car and tell him, okay? Right there. Okay, tell him. Thumbs up. Drop the comment below. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button.
Red button.
Good job. Give me 5. Yeah.
Right on the me. It's that right here.
Oh, he's showing you how to click the red on the screen, which is actually the time of this video. Hang on, bud. Hang on. So, you guys let me know what you think about that. We will be going back white. With going to white, I'm gonna find more rock chips that start to show up and come out from the paint, like these here.
It's on my bike.
Because as I'm pulling up this wrap,
My bike.
whoever painted this,
Dad,
repainted it, didn't get it done quite right.
my bike, Dad.
Yeah, I got your bike in there. And so we had a mishap like that happen. So I'll probably, once I do get this all cleaned up, we might take this over to the Clean Freaks. Check out all these motorcycles. All right, we got them. We got them. Have the Clean Freaks do their thing, clean up AV, make her look all pretty. And then the work of getting everything fixed, getting everything done. There's so much I want to do this car. I just don't know right now how we're going to come up with the funds to do so. Anyhow, if you guys enjoyed the video, do what Cohen said earlier. Thumbs up, drop comments down below. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video. Yes, Cohen. Also, if you haven't signed the hood yet, sign the hood.